Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable hidden iPhone privacy settings in WhatsApp. Most people do not know WhatsApp has extra privacy tools that keep your chats and profiles safer. First, open the WhatsApp app and then tap on the settings at the bottom right. Next, go ahead and go to privacy. After that, tap on the last seen and online option. Here you can control who can see your last seen or who can see when you're online, and then go ahead and click on profile photo, and here you can control who can see your profile photo and who cannot, like your contacts, my contacts, except like who you do not want to see your profile photo, or nobody. Tap status and choose who can view your updates. Is it your contacts, except people you select, or only share with selected contacts. And then scroll down and turn on the read receipts if you want, or turn them off to stop showing blue ticks. For extra protection, go back to settings and then tap account, then tap two steps verification and then enable it. This adds a pin every time someone tries to log in. Safety tip: never share that pin or your verification code with anyone, not even if they say they are from WhatsApp. Quick fix: if you can't find these options, update the WhatsApp app in the App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Then search for WhatsApp. Next, see if there is an update button available. Sometimes issues like you not seeing the options happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. If you update it, you'll be able to fix the bugs that you're having. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys on how to enable hidden iPhone privacy settings in WhatsApp. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more quick fixes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.